How to display advertising on a WordPress blog. There are a lot of benefits that come from using WordPress to power your website, but one of the best is the fact that it separates the design and content components. You can add new content without having to worry about the layout of the page, how it's going to fit into your navigation menu, or anything else related to design. WordPress handles it all for you. The downside to this is that it makes it a little more difficult to add things like advertising blocks to your site. In this article, we're going to look at several ways that you can add AdSense or any other type of advertising to your site. There are several places that you might want to display ads: the sidebar, the header or footer, or within the content of your posts. Some are easier than others. For example, if you want to add an advertising section to your sidebar, all you need to do is add a text widget and then place the ad code into that widget. The text widget supports HTML code, so this is a quick and easy way to add banner ads or other advertising that uses HTML. To display ads in other sections, you have two choices. Number 1, modify the theme to hard-code the ads. Or number 2, use an advertising plugin that lets you place ads in specific locations. Modifying the theme ultimately gives you the most control over your ad placements, but it's also the most difficult. If you're comfortable working with PHP code and either understand how WordPress themes are structured or want to learn, this can work well. But if you don't want to dig into the inner workings of WordPress themes, an advertising plugin is a much better way to go. Advertising plugins like Advertising Manager and AdSense Manager let you manage your ad code from a single settings page where you can specify where you want them displayed. Different plugins have different degrees of control, but most of them will let you display ads in typical locations such as at the beginning of your posts, in the sidebar, or in the header and footer. Another advantage that some of these plugins offer is a higher degree of management over your ads. For example, some will let you specify certain times for an ad block to be displayed, while others will let you configure multiple ads and then rotate them so you can test and track the results.